Okay guys, today we're on a bit of a recon mission. I'm going to go have a look at some waterfalls and some possible places to go for a dig. Got the kids with me today, so won't be a big dig if we do one at all, just more having a bit of a look today. Okay guys, I just stopped at our first location. Just had a little bit of a look around. Someone's had a little dig here. So what I'm going to do is just dig next to it, just see if we're getting any colour. Got my two girls with me today. They're digging quartz. They're digging quartz out of the ground. They're telling me there's gold in the quartz, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, so a little dig here, we'll see how we go. Okay, got me first bucket of unclassified material that I've just dug up from over there. The kids are digging quartz out of the ground. They're pretty happy with that. So I'll feed this through and see if we get any colour. Okay, I'll just show you what I'm doing here. So I'm still using the rock at the top of this grizzly plate, but what I've got is one of these, so I'll just use that and throw the rocks off to the side. So just get some material to feed in. All the lighter stuff will go away and fall through the grizzly. I can just clear off the other stuff there. I'll feed this bucket through. I haven't even fed the bucket through. The kids have been digging quartz, so they're taking up a bit of my time, in the sense that trying to concentrate on digging for 5 minutes without kids running around. That's a show off. So they got that big bit of quartz that they're telling me I'm putting in the car and bringing home. So yeah, I'll get back to this. Okay, put that first bucket through, and my daughter's called me up the creek a bit further where there was another rock that someone had been digging in. So I went up there. While I was up there, I sucked up some more material. Just yabby pumped that out of the hole, so I'm going to feed that through, see if I get an indication of gold from there. Someone's hole again, I've just yabby pumped it. So I'll run that through and have a look and see if I can get something in the VMAT. Okay guys, I've just cleaned out my VMAT. Haven't done the sluice as of yet, so I've run look, a bucket of material, half another bucket of material as well. So I've just taken the VMAT off and should be able to see some colour there. That's all I've done. I'm going to do the sluice next. A nice little chunky piece there. Some other specks. A little bit of black sand. Like, I haven't really worked much. I've done bugger all. Today was more just being able to have a look and see if I can get in here with the car and a quick look and get out to the waterfall and stuff. So yeah, this isn't looking too bad of an area. I'll clean out the sluice. I'll just show you what's going on with the sluice. I've got this rock, I just use it to hold the grizzly in place. I'll just let that through. Get some of these bigger sort of rocks out of the way. Now, as I said, sluice is set up nicely. I don't have very much angle on it at all. The cells are still, as you can see, moving around. A lot of these flatter rocks get stuck, but that's okay. The cells, as you can sort of see there, are still agitating. So yeah, I'll clean this out now and see if we can get some colour in the sluice itself. we found this rock. It's very unusual. I think it's very rare. My daughter found it. So, yeah, it was just left here. So, yeah, I'll clean the sluice out and we'll see what happens. Okay, got the little 6-inch sluice and the kids are having a little bit of a dig and feeding the sluice. Got the yabby pump going. I'll give them a bit of hand. This one's having a little bit of a dig, gonna chuck it in there. That's alright. It's all good. That classifier actually goes down to the last cell. So I don't even have to worry about nothing. Just chuck it on and if there's gold, it's going to drop through there. Oh, so a bit of fun for the girls. I'm just cleaning out this mat and then we're going to pack up and get out of here. But now that they're digging, they're onto the gold, they're telling me. So we'll see what happens. So what are we having? We're having a gold competition. Alright, there's two girls up against me with a 6-inch mini sluice. I've got the 8-inch. There's two of them digging away here on the inside bend. It's where two creeks meet. And I think they're going to outbeat their father on their first trip out. Better not happen, girls.
Yes, it will.
I am the sluice king.
No, you are not.
Oh, let's see. Prove me wrong. Okay, guys. I've got a little bit of gold. Not a lot more in the sluice itself. So, as I said, today's a test more than anything. So I just come to have a little bit of a test run, and the girls have ran the little 6-inch sluice. I don't think it's something you can go wrong with, especially with the grizzly. The grizzly's good on this. Prefer, as I said, the grizzly's good on my 8. The punch plate is perfect for the little 6-inch, especially if you make one that goes the length of the sluice. Just clear out the base of this, just so the material keeps falling through. I am going to put some brackets on the side to hold this up. Yeah, so I'll just let this clear out for a bit. I'll pan it out and we'll see if they got any gold. Okay guys, cleaned out the little mini 6-inch and it looks like the girls have trumped me today. So, you know, here I am, inside bend, digging behind rocks, near where other people have been digging. They just come along. This is sort of, well, I'll show you this way. Across here would be the inside bend. You know, they're digging here, just down here. Obviously a mix of large and small rocks. Obviously no one's dug there, and they get some gold, or they get more gold than I did. So that'll be it for today. I'm going to be just looking down the road a little bit further and just see where we've got creek access and all that sort of stuff. But this is looking like a good place where you'd bring your kids. Some of the other stuff just they found that they want me to put on the video is, so obviously they found these two rocks with the eyes, and this quartz, and some more quartz and rocks in here, and then a mixture of rocks that they found. So they're coming home, so the wife will be happy about that. There's going to be all these rocks in the house. Yeah, little fun day out here today. Yeah, just going to drive up the track a bit further, have a look. Obviously we haven't moved far, you know, I've gone 10 metres that way and pretty much just here, and haven't really gone anywhere in the hunt. It was more today of just having a look, see if I can get the car in safely, see what the roads and tracks were like. a lot of tracks I probably couldn't go on, but this road's pretty damn good. Nice and easy to get to, somewhere to park, light a fire. You could probably camp here maybe. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying this stuff. Something a bit different. Obviously not the big hunt for the gold that I normally do. This was just to come here for an hour, have a little dig, have a look, and just see if we're getting any colour. I'm getting colour straight away, and the kids are getting colour, so I'm pretty wrapped with that. Hope you're enjoying it, and until the next time, I'll see you all later. Okay guys, at the bottom of Trenton Falls with the kids. Thought we'd take the walk down here. It's nice and loud, as you can hear. Nice and misty, all the spray from the waterfall. A bit of a interesting little cave under here. To be able to see a little rainbow just there maybe, if you're lucky. But yeah, a bit of a different view of the falls. People probably stop up the top. We thought we'd venture down today. Won't come down here again. Just thought I'd come down and take the girls down while we're here. So we're gonna head on our way back up to the top. Go get some lunch and get home. So I hope you've enjoyed this little video, little adventure I've done today with me two little girls. And stay tuned, and should be some more stuff happening pretty soon.